Right, here we are with Jez. This is clip 1, just to show how the Baron reassembly is coming. What we're actually looking at here now is the front door, which Jez has just dry assembled. We've got the door handle down there cleaned up, the black carpet kicker plate. If you come up onto the actual plastics which have been resprayed, you can see now we've got the red stitching into the door handles, which is looking fantastic. Jez is now assembling the aft door, which will go, I'll show the inside of the aircraft in a minute. Come across, I'm going to have to walk over. Show you this very quickly. Look at the standard of the seat center that's going to be going in now. Simply awesome. Really, really good. As we look across now, you can see that's the port side. If I come down across the actual the mags and all the switch gears on, we'll need to decal that up. You can see now we've got perforated leather, and the inserts that we've made for them, you can see, are in there. They fit in quite nicely. You can see that now for the front. So it is coming together. Plastics have all been resprayed, looking fantastic. And if I just show you what the old stuff was, you can see the difference. That's where we were. This is where we are now. So looking awesome. Real piece de resistance has to be this glare shield. If I walk around, you really kind of have to see it in real life to appreciate the quality that Ricky's done. But look at that. Everything's stuck down. He's padded it well. The stitching's immaculate. Stainless is just sorting out the compass, because cleverly what we've got here is we've got a 14-volt compass that someone put in this thing years ago, and it's a 28-volt aeroplane, so that's fucking genius. But all the back panels in black. I'm going to cut this clip and go to clip 2 in a minute. Jez, say hi.
Hi, mate.
Tell us you love a Baron.
I love a Baron.
And this is Jez lying on camera after everything that's been through on this one. So moving to clip 2 in a minute. Clip 2 of the Baron of 55 Bravo November rebuild. You can actually see all the air vents in here. They're going to be stripped down, sorted out. The guys did really good idea. They took the original sort of covering here. It's been sprayed black, as we've got a black and red theme running through the Baron. One thing which is a medium-term project is obviously to replace this LED light, but that will come. Again, plastics have been done. So the switch gears, you can see, is nice and clean. This is the old sort of stuff we had. That's all coming off, as you can see. Look at the state of that. And this is where a lot of the gear that the Baron had started from before it ended up looking like that. Every single item's been repaired, glassed, taken back to actually beyond new condition. Coming across, you start to see the internals cleaned down, gives you an indication of the work going on. Even things like the air vents are taken back down, cleaned. Moving across here, just one of the challenges. In fact, Marcus has made most of it happen. Just say hi.
Bonjour.
And the coffee, which is always good. This is the problem we had. Tosspot did the aircraft, basically threw the entire contents of it into a van. Every screw's being gone through, everything that's not fit for purpose is being got rid of, everything new is being sorted out, so there's nothing old going in the aircraft. Twin Concorde batteries have been sorted, so that's good. Photo record is being compiled as we speak. Pan you across to the aircraft itself. That's all coming on. The wing bolts we're putting in. And here we come down to more sort of Ricky Eye's work. Fantastic if you can actually see the stitching, because I'm shooting into the light. All the sun visors have been done. Back panels have been done. All the soundproofing is going in. It's being redone. The side panels down there will have carpet glued to them. Next shot and slot I will do will be from the inside of the aircraft to show what Marcus has done, which is pretty phenomenal. So that's clip 2, 55 Bravo November. Clip 3, inside the Baron. Okay, what we got here, just so you can see. All this, if you look at the photographs, originally it was just beaten to hell and back, so it's all been cleaned up. All that metal has been resprayed, reset, done down properly. Same back here, that was all really foul and disgusting. That's all been cleaned off and done. Every single element, as you can see now, has been taken back, the windows to bare metal. And it'll all be zinc chromated, which we're doing. The whole floor's been chromated, done. All the Velcro strips been put down properly with sort of 2-pack adhesive, so that'll work. And the back end's been done out as well. So really, you could not take the Baron further back to where it'd be. These are our oxygen sensors in. So the work that's going on in here, even these simple things like these kicker plates, were all knackered. And you can see now, simple things like the air vents have been taken out, everything's been sprayed and sorted. Come back here, again the back kicker plates all looking nice and black and tidy. I'm going to step outside quickly and come in from the actual cockpit itself. As you look in on this, you can see the level of work that's gone on to tidy this up. So again, all black, all rebuilt, all metal works prepared. Simple things like that were rusted out. Gearbox motor down there that Gus has redone. Front kicker plate, again, knackered. All being repaired, all being resprayed. Final touches to the fuel selectors will be, you can see the jacks of the headphones have been done, and then obviously the same will apply to the fuel selectors and the markings. Coming up to the bar, same again, whole crossbar's been done. Nice again, powder coated. Controls, all neatly colour coded now, blue props, black throttles, and red for mixtures, looking good. The stack's all in. Glare shield you've seen separately, that will come in. Once the final wiring sorted out and everything else, new DME there above the 6-pack, so that's all sorted out. So coming together. Black carpeting, you saw the doors how are being fitted into clip 1. We're going into that. So slowly it gets there. Now the bits in the wing to come in. Back down there looking at the glare shield. All the racks over there. Tools over there. You can see, just to do a Baron up, there's all the old avionics on the shelves over there, is one hell of an effort. For pan you round, doing this project has taken up this entire quarter of the hangar. So it's got its own dedicated toolkit area. Laying the kit out has been the only way to put this back, particularly since we've recovered the interior. End of clip 3. Okay, I think this is Baron clip 4. But now what we can see is we've started to get the roof lining in. And the little silver bits up here that you can see, for example, here, these are what we call punkers. The air vents, which are an absolute bastard to get in because they've got fine threads at the top. The whole roof's in, fitted, looking a million times better than it used to. Black lining at the back. What's really cool now is start to come up the side of the aircraft. You can see the side panel in. The oxygen fittings are done, so we come forward. Got the oxygen in. Got the perforated armrests in there. That's all working well. Come forward to the next one. So this is all up the left side. And what's starting to really look good, if I can just turn this to one side, is the fact we've just rebuilt the mags and the temperature setting. A new thermometer would be nice, but you know what? For $360 we can cope with a bit of mist. The way the oxygen is now set up compared to the previous photos is just fantastic. So if I pan back out, the whole side of the aircraft is now done, and it looks fantastic. Carpets, things outside, so still a few things to be done, but definitely getting there. Alright mate, you've got to see this. This is looking really cool. Look at that. That is the seats in. Looking pretty uber. Come back. Looking into the back of the aircraft. 2 jump seats, all dry fittings, just doing it for weighing, but still. Starts to look the business, doesn't it, man? There you go.